Hello everyone, and welcome to our travel channel. Today we are going to take you on a journey to explore the most unique and luxurious treehouse and jungle lodges around the world. Treehouse and jungle lodges are the perfect way to combine luxury with nature. It's no wonder why they're becoming increasingly popular among travelers looking for an immersive experience. So, let's dive into our list of the most unique and luxurious treehouse and jungle lodges around the world. Our first stop is the Kimala Resort in Phuket, Thailand. This resort is set in a lush tropical forest and offers a range of luxurious treehouses and villas designed to reflect four fictional clans: earth, air, fire, and water. Each treehouse is unique and offers a stunning view of the surrounding jungle. The resort is the perfect destination for nature lovers. Our next stop is the Zala Treetop Lodge in Plettenberg Bay, South Africa. This lodge offers a luxurious and unique treetop experience in the heart of the garden route. The lodge is surrounded by dense forest and offers a breathtaking view of the canopy. The lodges are designed to blend in with the natural environment and offer a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere. Our next stop is the Four Seasons Tented Camp Golden Triangle in Chiang Rai, Thailand. This luxury resort is set amidst the tranquil bamboo jungle of northern Thailand and offers a unique jungle experience. The resort is designed to reflect the traditions of northern Thailand and features luxurious tents overlooking the Ruik River. Our next stop is the Canopy Treehouses in Cairns, Australia. These luxurious treehouses are situated high in the rainforest canopy and offer stunning views of the jungle. The treehouses are equipped with modern amenities and offer a unique and immersive jungle experience. Our next stop is Chol Miini in Mafia Island, Tanzania. This eco-lodge is set on the sandy shores of Chol Bay and offers a unique and luxurious treehouse experience. The treehouses are made from natural materials and offer breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean. The lodge also provides a wide range of eco-tourism activities to help guests discover the beauty of the island. Our next stop is the Hanging Gardens of Bali in Ubud, Indonesia. This luxurious resort offers a range of unique treehouses and villas set in the heart of the jungle. The treehouses and villas are designed to blend in with the natural environment and offer a breathtaking view of the surrounding jungle. The resort also features the world-famous infinity pool overlooking the jungle. Our next stop is Mashpi Lodge in Quito, Ecuador. This eco-lodge is nestled in the Andean cloud forest and offers a unique and immersive jungle experience. The lodge features luxurious and modern treehouses and offers a wide range of eco-tourism activities to help guests discover the beauty of the surrounding jungle. Our last stop is Jade Mountain Resort in St. Lucia. This luxurious resort is set on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea and offers a range of unique and luxurious treehouses with breathtaking views of the sea. The treehouses are designed to reflect the natural beauty of the surrounding environment and feature private infinity pools and open walls that let in the ocean breeze. The resort also offers a range of amenities including spa services, fine dining, and access to the nearby Ansay Chastanet Beach. We hope you enjoyed our tour of the most unique and luxurious treehouse and jungle lodges around the world. These destinations are the perfect way to combine luxury with nature and create an unforgettable experience. Remember, treehouse and jungle lodges are not only luxurious but also eco-friendly, providing an immersive experience that connects us with nature. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Pathways to the World for more exciting travel content. See you in the next video.